If you've ever thought to yourself, I will or should learn Python one day, today is the day. You can learn with me for the next 8 weeks. My name is Jacob Itegboje, and this is Pumping Python. It's 8 weeks of hard work, reading, writing, and testing Python every day, not for the faint of heart or weak of mind. Do not worry, no math required. You can sign up today for a time slot that fits your schedule. The maximum number of people in each hatch is 5 students to make sure I can give you one on one attention in a group learning environment. Here's what you get: 30 chapters, 11 hours of video, over 100 tests, improved typing skills, better comparison skills. Your ability to spot the difference will grow. Daily one on one with me in a group with four other Python pumpers like you to crush your Python pain. Access to a growing WhatsApp community of people like you who have gone through or are going through the course. Someone with Python experience to help along the way. Here's what's next. Pick a time that works best for you. I have the morning marauders, that's 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. The Sunlight Soldiers, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. CST. Happy Hour Heroes, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. And of course, the Nighttime Ninjas, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. So pick one. You can click on any one of those links down there to pay for the course. I will see you around the way. All the best.